Many iOS users like you may find your iPhone or iPad won't turn on for unknown reasons sometimes. This has also bothered some iOS users who have updated to iOS 17 in recent days. Watch this video to fix the issue and get your iPhone back to normal in minutes. Let's get started. We'll explain why the iPhone won't turn on in the first part. In some circumstances, your iPhone won't turn on and stuck on the black screen, becomes brick, stuck on the iTunes screen, gets frozen during the update, etc. No surprise, these problems may also happen again in the new iOS update 17. The first reason is your iPhone has run out of battery. Once your iPhone's battery has run out, your iDevice can't be turned on. So if you find your iPhone screen black for a long time, you should check your hardware and charge your iOS device. Sometimes, iOS system crash could cause iPhone won't turn on. If your iPhone still won't turn on even when plugged in or after being fully charged, it may suffer from the iOS system crash. The third reason is firmware has been corrupted. Your iPhone won't turn on. This doesn't only mean your iPhone screen is black or it won't light up. Sometimes, you find your iPhone is stuck on the white Apple logo while powering on. This also means the firmware has been corrupted, and you need to restore your iPhone. Last, if something wrong with iPhone hardware, the iPhone won't turn on. You need to take your iDevice to the Apple Store and have a professional check. So the first tip is to charge your iPhone. If your iPhone won't turn on, you should check its hardware and charge your device in the first place. Normally, you should see the charging screen after a few minutes. If your iPhone won't turn on even when plugged in, this means your iPhone was not charging. At this moment, you should check your charger, connector, and USB cable, and see if they are been connected, and work well. To fix iPhone won't turn on, you can try a hard reset. Quickly press the volume up button and the volume down button. Press and hold the side button until an Apple logo appears on the screen. The third tip is to restore iPhone with iTunes. Power off your iPhone. Keep holding the side button and volume up button until you see the recovery mode screen. Then, connect your iPhone to PC or Mac via a USB or USB-C cable. iTunes or Finder will pop up, and click to restore your iPhone. In the last tip, we will show you how to fix iOS system issues with AnyFix. Download and run AnyFix on your PC or Mac. Choose the system repair mode. Choose iPhone problems and click Start Now. Here are 3 repair modes for you to choose from. You can choose according to your iPhone state. For iPhone won't turn on issue, if the standard repair mode not working, you can try the advanced repair mode or the ultimate repair mode. Then you will need to download firmware for your iPhone. After the firmware is downloaded, click on Fix Now. AnyFix will start fixing your iPhone system issue. Please be patient. That's all. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.